Hello, William Jimmy here. Welcome to my channel. So previously, we make some animation of the idle animation as well as run animation, and because I'm developing a indie game, semi indie game, semi tutorial. So right now, I got this modified version of idle animation running. Okay, and right now the running don't yeah, forget about the flip because I'm going to modify that in my tutorial channel. But right now it seems lagging something. So I want to be able to jump, or even better, jump from pretty high places. Okay, so right now if you look at here, like jump, and then it will just like just as if it's ascending. So it's weird. So I wanted to like, for example, if the player is like falling from pretty high places, um, something will change. So right now, if you look at here, it's pretty standard stuff. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, it's pretty standard stuff, and the cape, the clothes, the sword, the hair is not actually changing. So what I'm trying to achieve is that when she is like jumping, if she's like, okay, I'm going to make it bigger. So she's jumping, all the things should go down. Okay, so the hair should go down. Okay, everything's jumping. Okay, something like that. So I want to like capture that movement, but also the jumping and falling is separate. Okay, the falling part should, the cape should like move upwards and maybe fly around a little bit, right? The hair should like move up and fly around a little bit. Okay, I want to do something like that. And the sword should like sway a little bit. So that's exactly what I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. So I am going to make. Okay, I'm going to just pause this a little bit. Okay, but I'm using Photoshop, but it's not recommended to use Photoshop for this because it will get pretty messy pretty quickly. But I want like finish this project, at least this player, this specific person project, because I just enter the world of pixel art. I'm not like a pixel art like master, so I'm trying to play around with the tool that I'm most familiar with, and then go to the specific, say, A Sprite tool. And by the way, I also develop. I'm also a developer, so if I'm really into this, I want to try things out. If I'm really into this, I may just develop a like customized pixel art maker myself. Okay, so right now I think I'm going to hide everything here. So there will be like idle stand, idle stand. Okay, and this idle stand is is yeah, it's moving up and down, I believe. Okay, it's actually moving up and down. So yeah, that's pretty good. So idle stand, hide it, collection copy. Yeah, this is safe to for deletion. Okay, so delete group and content. So idle stand and order to run animation, also pretty good. So what I'm going to do is to make all this together to a new group, group them from layer. Okay, I'm going to say run. Okay, so we got two animation actually working, and I think the falling should be pretty similar with idle stand. So I'm going to duplicate this again. So where is duplication? Duplicate group. Okay, and I'm going to make this fall and jump. So I want to do maybe jump first and then fall, because fall is a little like difficult than jump. So jump, okay, and then I'm going to make a duplication of fall. Maybe just the jump first, because I'm going to modify a lot of things. So what I'm going to do is to just delete everything here, okay, and we got this stand, and hide everything else. okay, and I want to jump. So this is kind of like jumping, right? So jump in the sky. I'm gonna like move a little bit. Okay, so I can hide this. It's already higher. Okay, it's already higher. And I'm going to move this a little bit. So where's my brush? Okay, I'm trying to make like bend this a little bit. So lasso, like jump. So if I'm jumping, okay, I'm going to. So if I'm jumping, I will do something like this. Okay, so the hand should like go down. Okay, go down, and more bending, more stretch upwards, and the leg should go bend back. So let's do this by, and it's jumping, so the hair should go down. Okay, so let's just move this a little bit. Okay. Just tiny little bit changes. So that means the whole hair will go down. Preferably, I'm going to. Okay, I can't erase it, so erase. Make it smaller. This is definitely too big. Get rid of all this dirty part. Command D to get the selection deselected. And I want to change some of the pixel because the hair is like falling down. Okay, the lasso here, and rotate a tiny little bit. Okay, make it inside. Command D, deselect, and the hair part, eyedropper brush, smaller. What kind of brush that I'm using? On hard rounded brush. Okay, opacity 100% smoothing. Okay, I should like using hard round. Yeah, hard round is good. Just make it like down. Okay, and make this. Okay, I think I made a like customized brush specifically for pixel art, but I don't think like I can find it. On pressure size. Yeah, so maybe just stick with this one, so I can quickly get things done. Okay, and so standing and jumping. Okay, huge changes need to jumping all the. Oh, I did not. sorry, I'm really sorry. I did not show you guys the screen. Sorry about that. So basically, I changed this part, the hair part, and I want the leg to move to approximately here and rotate a tiny little bit. Then I will fill the rest of this using the brush. So this should be the leg. Okay. And that's all. This part, move it, make it a bit here. I know it's a kind of lazy way of doing this pixel art, but I got so many projects going on, and I find quickly get the placeholder and get the thing working is the most important parts, and then after all that you do the modification. So like moving directly up, should go somewhere here. Everything should like go inside a tiny little bit. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely not good because the yeah, I should, sorry, I should use the pencil rather than this. So go everything inside here. That's more like it. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot about I should use pencil. I should use brush. That's the reason it got like a really haze thing, and definitely too dark. Add a tiny little bit inside here. Okay, the cape got somewhere here in between. Okay, add a little bit thing in between, and the rest of things inside should somewhere here. A field blank, field back. So like jumping up. Okay, jumping up. Clear some parts. Just make it more clear. Okay. Maybe add some space outside so see this. Okay, jump up, and I'm going to duplicate this because I want her hair to like wave a little bit, like left and right a little bit, and things she's like going up. The sword should also change. Let me deal with the sword as well. So the sword should like move, at least rotate a tiny little bit, like here. Okay, because she's like moving upwards. Okay, so the rest of the sword here should also be changed to approximately here. Okay, and I want to fill the rest with my drawing. Okay, and it should have a like clear separation. If you don't, they will be a little bit weird. And then you can erase just to make it just clean up a little bit. But right now I'm thinking just the jump. Okay, focused on the jump. Next pixel, let's extend this a little bit to overcome here. Yeah, so moving up, and then all of this we can change. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this, duplicate layer. Okay, and I'm going to say stand 3. Okay, this stand 3 definitely going to be a little bit different than stand 2. So stand 3, let's change a bit. So the clothes should wave a little bit, so left and right. Okay, I'm going to just do a really simple left and right movement. So I'm going to make this all the way to left a little bit and make it more wavy. Make this part right a little bit. And modify the rest. Of course, I believe there is a like anti-aliasing parts, but I prefer to do that manually. So at least I got a like sense of control. Okay, and this part, just tiny little changes. tiny little changes. That should suffice. Okay, and this part, okay, the rest should be the leg. So sorry about that. I'm going to make a little bit leg hint, like here. I'm going to use this. And here's the leg, and the thing I'm going to like wave it just to this part, okay? I'm going to just move this part a little bit to here. Okay. Okay, and the rest you can get away with a tiny movement to the left or to the right. So what I'm going to do is to just add a tiny little difference. Tiny little difference. Okay. Tiny little difference. So add a hint, just a hint. Here. And then it's gone. So that way, I can erase some tiny little pixel here. That should do. That should do a trick. It's not precise art. It's not precise, but that doesn't mean that you can ignore this creative process, because you can't possibly outsource everything to AI. Okay, so yeah, this part I want this to like go down a tiny little bit. Then this go down a tiny little bit. Okay, so yeah, I think I can like flip between these two, and I can sort of do the trick. So let's do this. So here, add another here, and another here, and another here, and another, and here. Okay, let's try to do this. So yeah, it kind of gives you like a floating feeling. Okay, even though it seems like she's like standing, but you can always like add that in the game. So I am going to just put it at approximately exactly the same places. Okay, and of course, same old trick, you're going to export all this out. So there will be the quick jumping animation, and in next video I'm going to quickly like show you the result in the game, and then we're going to go through the falling animation. Okay, yeah, thanks, bye.